WH questions of sentences have no auxiliary verbs. Look at the first sentence. She sings very sweetly. In that sentence, we have to prepare a question to get very sweetly as answer. See, in that sentence, we have to prepare a question to get very sweetly as answer, and very sweetly refers manner. So we prefer the question word how. Then we have to write the auxiliary verb, and the main verb is sings. We can split it as does plus sing. So does is the auxiliary verb. But how does? Then we have to write the subject she. Then the main verb sing. Don't write sings. After splitting the verb with the do, does, did, we have to write the base form of verb. So how does she sing? Question mark. Look at the second sentence. He went to Chennai yesterday. And here we have to prepare a question to get yesterday as answer. And yesterday refers to time. So we have to prefer the question word when. Then we have to write the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb is not given directly, so we have to find out the main verb and split with the do or does, did. So went, how to split went is the past form, so we have to split it as did plus go. Did plus go. So our auxiliary verb is did, then we have to write the subject he, then we have to write the main verb go. See, not write went, go. Go. After do or does, did, we have to write the base form of verb. When did he go to Chennai? Then question mark. Look at the third sentence. They write poems. And here, the underlined word is poems. We have to make a question to get poems as answer. Poems refers to thing. So we have to prefer the question word what. Then we have to write the auxiliary verb. And write is the main verb. So we have to split it as write do plus write. So do is the auxiliary verb. What do? Then subject they. Then main verb write. What do they write? Question mark. Next, fourth question. Radha goes to temple twice a week. The underlined portion is twice a week. Twice a week refers to frequency of an event. So the apt question word is how often. How often? After how often question word, we have to write the auxiliary verbs. So does is the auxiliary verb because goes we can split it as does plus go. So does is the auxiliary verb, then subject Radha, then go. Main verb base form. How often does Radha go to temple? We have to put a question mark. He lives in a big house. So the underlined portion is in a big house. We have to prepare a question to get big in a big house as answer. In a big house refers to a place, so we can prefer where. Then auxiliary verb. Leaves is the main verb. Leaves we can split it as does plus leave. So does is the auxiliary verb. Then subject he. Then leave. After does we have to write the base form leave. Then question mark. He bought a house. The underlined portion is a house. We have to prepare a question to get a house as answer. Then a house refers to thing, so the apt question word is what. Then we have to write the auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb is not given directly, so the main verb is bought. We can split it as did plus buy. Did plus buy. What did he buy? Question mark.